Hey friends, it's Ian Khan, the Futurist here at the Humanoids Summit in the Bay Area. I've got with me Niv Sundaram. Niv, welcome to the show.
Ian.
And what has been your experience so far at the show?
Thank you, Ian. It actually is my first Humanoids Summit, and I've just been so excited that's our fundamental product for our startup as well. Silicon Valley, my previous job actually was in Intel, so I grew up in the Valley. It's almost like coming back home, and just love being here, the energy, you cannot beat the creativity of the Valley. Always looking for things that are, for dreaming. What can be, right? Not what is. So just love that, and that is kind of the theme of the humanoids. The humanoids themselves, right? We're building something for the future. It's no longer futurist.
Yeah.
We will be in deployment. They're already in deployments this year. We will be in deployments next year. So I think we're getting there. Living with robots. The vision energy, not Ultron, but living with vision is coming.
Yeah, absolutely. So, what's your company do? What is Machani Robotics doing, and why are you doing what you do within the space?
Yeah, thank you for asking that. So Machani Robotics was founded on a deeply personal mission. So our founder actually had a difficult family situation a few years ago and encountered empathy burnout as a result of this difficult situation. And he kind of since then has dedicated himself to bringing solutions, for dealing with empathy, care, caregiving and the different aspects of it. So that is the premise of where we started, and we've actually spent this year doing extensive market research. There's about so it's super interesting because the market is senior care, and there's about more than 50,000 senior care facilities around the U.S., concentrated on the coast. Florida and California are the big ones, but Midwest and everything else as well. So when we did this market research, we actually got some fantastic new perspectives. So I would say that we're stepping back and looking at all the data, and we actually, I wouldn't call it a pivot, but it's figuring out the problem is even bigger. The impact, the impact that we could have is even bigger. So that's kind of I'm so excited by this new mission. We're going to be there's a big unveil next year. But in summary, it'll be a cognitive wellness platform and using robots. So the humanoid and I can show you pictures. The humanoid will be the center of this wellness platform, but we're building in a very holistic, comprehensive approach that I feel will have a deep impact, a deep relevance to the human experience.
So we're now not just talking industrial robotics, we're talking deep connection.
Yes.
Spirituality, we're talking relaxation, well-being. Yeah, well-being is a good word here.
Well-being is a great word. And actually, I'm not sure if you saw I'm obsessed with all things Disney. The Keynote, the Humanoid Summit was opened by a researcher from Disney, and he did such a great job in explaining the difference. So what we are building, the humanoid in the platform itself is an animatron, not a humanoid.
Okay.
So the difference is the animatrons have a face and they have expressions and emotions and all that. So which is why like the task-oriented humanoids will still be still super important for doing your laundry and all that.
Yep.
But the animatrons are the ones that you are going to be engaging. I mean, it's what you see in the Disney parks. The ones that you will be engaging with, and they will help you build trust.
Yeah. So trust, you mentioned trust. It's such a big part of us being able to work with
Yes.
with
Robots.
Yeah. So how are you enabling that trust in your technology?
I think trust is built on context. So the way we go about it is we're very, very systematic about knowing the person that we are working with. So whether it's a community or whether it's it's a personalized companion. So it's so wellness today is democratized, which is good, but it's almost a one size fits all. So instead of general purpose, we're going the other way to custom and personalized. So trust is all about getting context. So what happens with the robots that are part of the platform is as the robot starts talking to the person, she learns about the person. She also has context with what the person has done in their life, and using that context, she's able to build in conversation, and she never forgets. Right, that's the LLM.
Yeah.
So you continuously have that. So trust is built over time, but using context.
Incredible. Concluding, tell us, what is the next year and a half, 2 years looks like for you in terms of launch and the things you're going to do?
Yes, and super excited. So Q1 next year is when we're launching. So it's the big unveil. So wait for it. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll come back to your show to do the launch. So we'll be talking about the wellness platform, and we have design partners with senior care communities. So this is a very interesting pivot from my old job because here the customers and the users are different because it's a consumer product. The customer is the senior care facility because they are the ones writing the checks to get the platforms, but the users are the residents. So we're kind of like attacking on all fronts to get, attacking is not the word, embracing all fronts to deploy the product so that we are bringing maximum value to both the customers as well as the residents. So that and the family, because that is the full circle. So the plan is launch next year, scale with senior care communities end of the year, and ramp like crazy.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Niv, for joining us for a quick conversation here at the summit, and we wish you all the best. Keep us posted for what happens with the launch, and we'll definitely reconnect.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Amazing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.